To make a USAA credit card payment, you can start by launching the USAA application on your mobile device and authenticating your account. Once you're logged in, select Signature Visa and then Pay from the app's home screen, and click the Pay icon located at the top right corner. Next, choose your payment information by selecting the amount and payment date you wish to pay, and then select the account that has the funds to continue with the transfer. After reviewing the payment details to ensure the information is accurate, click Pay and then select Yes to confirm the transaction, which will send a request to the bank for completion. You can also make a credit card payment by calling the bank at 855-430-8489, where you will be asked to identify yourself by providing your social security number. And then the automated phone system will guide you through the payment process. In either case, your balance will be updated, and the pending payment will be displayed on the transaction list, making the payment process quick and easy.